Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special Easter unboxing, and pink always reminds me of Easter. So the reason this unboxing is also special is because I don't actually remember which bag that this is. I bought quite a few pieces from the latest spring summer cruise collection. Well, the cruise collection, sorry, and the spring summer 2021 collection. I don't remember which one this was. I bought 6 bags. So this is going to be a surprise. I need this bag because I'm going out for a dinner tonight with my girls. Oh, I think they've already given me that magazine. And basically, so sunny out. Basically, I want to wear this bag, whatever it is. I'm sure it's going to be amazing, but isn't that so naughty that I don't actually remember which bag it is? So this is going to be equally as exciting for myself and for you guys. How many bags of Chanel could I buy that now I don't remember which one? That is not a bad position to be in life. Oh my, now I'm remembering. Oh my goodness. So these are the incredible colors, the pinks of this 2021 collection. And oh my, this one is, for me, perfection. I know on the site Purse Bop, I saw the girl, she was talking about the Rosy Claire in the caviar leather, but I'm kind of over the whole caviar leather. I have enough of those caviar leather bags. I mean, I wouldn't say over, because are you ever over anything? No. But this lambskin, guys, I don't have my light on, so you cannot see the magnificent. This is a baby pink, actually. It's like a baby pink. I need to turn the light on though, so you guys can actually see. Oh, this was definitely worth it. Obviously, you guys know that I just got the black trendy small. So you're probably wondering why on earth I would take another one. Well, I absolutely love these trendy bags so much. They're probably one of my favorite styles. More so than, I wouldn't say more so, because is anything more so than anything? No, I love them all. Just let me turn the lights on and let me. So this was the black one that I had just purchased here, the black. And here is the lighting in my room is not the best. Oh, this one is so pretty. So pretty. Oh, I hate when I find some. Oh, there. All right, guys, this is it. These are the colors of the 2021. I love lambskin. For me, lambskin is, I know, it's so much more luxurious. It's so beautiful. I got this one right out of the box. My sales girl is so amazing at Mall of Emirates. She takes the bags, whatever comes in, and she lets me know before anybody else. This one was perfection. Actually, the story behind this one was that she showed me this bag when I was in the Mall of Emirates, and it had scratches on it already, even though nobody had like, look how it changes the color. Oh my gosh. Even though nobody had even worn it or touched it, there was scratches on the lambskin. It does scratch easily. So I was like, I want this bag, but I don't want this particular piece, because you know what? After some time in spending, when you're spending a lot of money on the bags, I want them to be perfect. And don't hesitate to inspect your bags, guys. I never did that before, and I would find sometimes the odd scuff, or, you know, now I literally inspect my bags, you know, which probably is kind of annoying to them, but like, look at how that glows. That it's just, oh my gosh, it's just amazing. This is like the perfect Easter bag. So anyways, the point is, I left the shop. I said, if you get another one, because they had no more in Dubai of this piece. She's like, we have no more. I was like, well, I really want it, but I just don't want a piece that's scratched. As she could understand, you know? So literally she called me a few days later and she let me know this was available. So it has the 3 pouches here. 1, 2, 3. There's the marker in there. And here's always the authenticity card. Oh, where did that go? Here. Okay. And yeah. I mean, that was pretty much it, guys. I don't know what they call this color. Look at it. It's changed again. It, to my eye, looks like kind of like a baby pink opaque. I don't know. I've not seen this color. Vivienne Vivard, the obviously head designer right now of Chanel that took over Karl Lagerfeld, has come up with some of the most incredible handbag designs. I stick with more classics personally, but some of the other ones I need to start venturing out are so amazing. But the colors is like, she's literally giving some of the best colors out there. So you can see the shine. It's just, it's breathtaking. This bag is so beautiful. I love it. Yeah. And imagine I still have a few more secret gems to pull out in the next upcoming few weeks. So that will be exciting to tune in. But yeah, I want to wish everybody a happy Easter that's celebrating. I hope you guys all enjoy with your families, and whether you're doing an Easter egg hunt or whatnot, maybe you'll be hunting for your own beautiful Chanel bag this Easter. I wish you all the best of luck with that. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in and watching my video.